Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to trade futures with MetaTrader 4, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the MetaTrader 4 app, and once you open it you'll be able to see the interface on in the screen where you can see settings option at bottom right corner. Just tap over there and now you'll be redirected to your settings section where you can see new account option at top on in the screen. So once you tap on it, you'll be able to see two options. First one is open a demo account and another is login to an existing account. Simply tap on second one, which is login to an existing account, and now you need to search for your company server name or broker something. So let's say capital.com. Now right after that you'll be able to see the capital.com real at second. So simply tap on that second option and now it will ask you for your credentials. Once you complete your credentials, finally click on sign in and you'll be able to trade futures with MetaTrader 4 successfully. So basically this is how you can trade futures with MetaTrader 4, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.